Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 18 ratio 63. So we're going to divide these two numbers with 3. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, meaning we are going to write 6 right here, ratio we will make a division sign right here, and then we're going to write 3 here, 63 here. 3 2s are 6 minus 1, 0 comes down, 3 also goes down, 3 1s are 3 minus 0. So we are going to write 21 here. Now we are going to divide 6 with 3. So 3 2s are 6. So we are going to write 2 right here. Ratio 3 7s are 21. So we divided all of these numbers with 3. At the end, the answer is 2 ratio 7. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and see you next time. Jazakallah.